This is so great. That's my first owl.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Right now it is 5:43. Sun is starting to come up, and there were already some big birds around us as well. I don't know which ones. I hear the holler monkeys all the time. I definitely heard some Scarlet Macaws. So yeah, just as excited for what we will see today, and I hope you are as well. So let's go with the video. Okay, so right now I can see one bird hopping around right here in all this green. And because I'm a little higher than him, I would love to get him on any branch or something where I can really nicely see him. So yeah, that's just a question of patience. I'll just wait a bit and hope that he will sit down nicely somewhere that I can take a nice photo of him. And there we go, Scarlet Macaw. By far not perfect, but at least we saw him. If you want to see really nice shots of Scarlet Macaws, I made some inside my garden. You can see them right here. They were sitting inside the tree tops and flying from one to another. So I really had nice chances to get some in-flight shots of those guys, and they look amazing. With all those colors, this yellow, blue, red. It's just great. And who are you? Okay, let's be quiet and try to get this guy. Maybe he's still there, so I'll stop talking. Alright, that's it. There's a motorcycle coming. Oh, sad life. Okay, we at least got a shot. You can see the yellow thingy he has. Buenos dias. So it's pretty easy to identify, but we won't count it. I'll put the picture in, but I won't count it as a new species. I'm pretty slow today, but I want to take it slow. I don't want to, because I know this hiking trail and it is very exhausting. So I really want to be quiet and find as many animals as possible without moving too much. I more want to wait for the animals to come by, as the guan, I don't know, I don't remember the name, as the bird right here did, or the Scarlet Macaw, for example. It came to me, not the other way around. So that's pretty nice. We are moving towards the Costa Rican summer, which is great. The last couple of weeks we had a really bad rainy season. A lot of rain, even flood water. And because of that, I was not really able to go out hiking for like about 1.5 months. It's the first time since then. But of course, I was active on the property of my parents, and wow, I found some really nice birds. So due to the fact that North America is moving towards winter right now, all the winter birds are moving to the south right now. They're coming back here, which is great. And I already found some. And for example, this orange one right here, a really nice bird. The orange black, perfect contrast, nice color, really good. Had a lot of fun with this guy, and we are having a little feeding station on the property of my parents. Of course, you would be dumb if you don't have something like this, because it just attracts the birds. It's really nice, and because you have this variety right here, it's so great. You also have a lot of fruits, so you will always have a lot of cutoff, which you can use on the feeding station. The birds are happy about it, and we also have a lot of nesting boxes on the property. So yeah, but usually I use the feeding station to track the birds down, which means I just watch the feeding station, and then I watch until I find a bird that I want to photograph, and then I'll track it down when it leaves the feeding station, so I can get pictures in the natural habitat. But these orange birds, they are all the time very high up in the trees, which makes it very hard to track them down. Oh, what else? Wow, I had a nice photo session with fiery-billed aracaris, which you can see right here. It is amazing. Those pictures are so nice, and you can even see the, I don't know what it is called, for the eyes to protect them. Yeah, just amazing. So nice, such nice shots. Also, towards the end of the rainy season, you always have the squirrel monkeys, which are coming to the property daily, like twice or even 3 times a day. What else do I want to show you? I've got some nice hummingbird pictures. Oh my god, those are so gorgeous hummingbirds. Look at those guys. We have 3 hummingbird feeding stations, and wow, it is amazing. You get so close to them, and I use it the same way. Like, I always wait on it until the hummingbird is on there, and then I try to track him down, but they're so quick. So you really have to be a little lucky to be able to stick to them and get them. But it worked for a couple of pictures, so yeah, just amazing. And up there are Scarlet Macaws. hate photographing just upwards, but I don't know if I can get a better angle. I'll try to get a better angle on this one if I go there. Could work. The Scarlet Macaw with the leaf, like where he's looking over the leaf, reminds me of one picture I want to show you as well, and that is a yellow-throated toucan that I also found on the property of my parents. By the way, if you like my videos and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to activate the bell so you will always get a notification when a new video is coming out. There are some big things in planning right now, so you can... I am really excited, of course, and I think you can be as well. There will be some very nice videos coming soon. What else? Oh wow, I forgot the best thing. I found a owl, and it's my first owl that I ever photographed, and the conditions, let's say that way, that I had on that evening were crazy. I just came home, it's already pretty much dark, and right there in this tree in front of me, like right there is a tree. There is an owl sitting in there, and I've got it. I just had to put down, sorry for the light, I had to put down my camera right here. There's like a small Hollywood swing, and I've put my camera down right here like this, and it is exactly where the owl sits, and that right here is the result. Oh, this is so great. That's my first owl that I'm able to see in real life and photograph at the same time. It is so great. Wow, 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 wow. That, yeah, I've got goosebumps everywhere. This is so great, and she's still sitting there. I did not have to, because of the Hollywood swing, I was able to make great pictures with like 3.2 seconds of a shutter speed. And I didn't have to use a flashlight, which is great. That means the owl is still sitting there. It is super relaxed. The only thing that was interesting for the owl was my focus light. That was the only thing. That's why she's leaning forward a little bit and looking at me straight into the camera, just because the small red light that is for the autofocus. And wow, yeah, I'm done. This is wow. I think you can't even really see me. My wife is cooking back there, and yeah, there was just this owl. Wow, what a day. Great. There are definitely some other pictures that are pretty cool, I think, and I'll just put them here, just lay back, enjoy it. Oh my god. Okay, so we saw some pisotes, some white-nosed coatis, and pretty close, I would say. Definitely got a nice shot of this cute little guy. Yeah, what's the plan? Let's go that way. I have good, like, crazy news. I now have everything here to, yeah, like, do a nice little camp out. It will be a really great time. This has to be a freaking joke. First time out here with the main goal to go and stay a night outside, and this is what I get. Like, it is raining. Ooh, this is crazy. It is crazy that this is really my first solo camping experience. I thought, nice, let's go out, let's see some birds, let's yeah, just sleep outside, and well, dream on. Dream on. And if you are curious about this and you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell icon so you will get notified when the video drops. I'm really excited for it, actually.